Hello everyone. I'm a fourth year student of Civil Engineering Department. My name is Anuj Mishra and today I'm going to present the topic U-boot technology under the guidance of Jiten Pratap Singh sir. Now the main problem to the environment is plastic and carbon dioxide today. Many people have been trying to and taking the steps to reduce this plastic and carbon dioxide. But we already have a better solution to use this plastic in a better way and to reduce carbon dioxide, that is U-boot technology. These are the content that I'm going to discuss in this whole presentation. Now let's see introduction. It is a wide slab technology actually. These U-boot shells are used in slab and in raft foundation so that the dead weight and the concrete used in the building reduces drastically. So overall cost decreases and also using U-boot will increase the lifespan of the building. Almost 1 kg of this recycled plastic replaces 100 kg of the plastic. To construct this U-boot, we use polypropylene that is made of recycled plastic. Why polypropylene? Because of its drastically inert nature and is a high melting point and a flexible material. It is resistant to cracks and stresses. There are two types of U-boot on single U-boot and double U-boot. Now let's see its dimensions. The U-boot beton normally of 52 into 52 centimeters. Its height varies according to our need, that is from 10 to 56 centimeters, and its foot height is generally taken as 5 centimeters. These are the some accessories that is used during the construction. First is spacer joint. It is also called as connection bridges. It is used to connect two U-boot beton with a graduated scale and give the correct position to the U-boot beton. Second is closing plate. When we are placing U-boot under it, we have to cover it with something that is nothing other than closing plate. Now the third is the connection bridges. To connect two U beton and to place the concrete between them, we use a covering that is called as the connection bridges. Now let's move on to its installation process. For the construction of the framework is done and placing of lower reinforcement is done and the U-boot beton is placed over that lower reinforcement. And after placing the U-boot, the upper reinforcement is placed and it is filled with the concrete. Now, after attaining enough strength, we remove the framework and the further processing such as curing is done. Now let's move to see its load distribution. It is led to reduce dead weight up to 50%, which allow the foundation size to be smaller. Also, the triangular reinforcement provided for the purpose of works as a beam. So beam are fully avoided and the mushroom-like pillars are constructed. So the pillar spacing will increase and it led to the more open space. Also, the structure is able to bidirectionally transmit load directly from the pillar to the foundation. Now let's see some of its advantages. Now, due to decrease in slab thickness, its number of floors increased, and we can also see there's a larger span between the columns in the figure. Also, it is high melting point due to because of which it also act as a fire resistance and it also has the property of sound insulation. Let's see some of its disadvantages. It is not safe against shear and use of polystyrene can be dangerous. Its application is in raft foundation and in a two-way slab. Now, it is first used in Italy, then in France, Ireland, Brazil, India, Germany, and so on. Now let's see a case study over this technology in India. A vertical parking at a Mahila Bagh, Bhavnagar, Gujarat is constructed using this technology. It is a ground floor vehicle accommodation of 478 two-wheelers from floor 1 to floor 5, 104 four-wheelers per floor can be accommodated. It has a total number of 6 floors, and it's also a restaurant type implementation on the top floor is done. Also vertical gardening concept, rainwater harvesting system using this regofill technology, and uses of piezoelectric crystal in this pathway for electric storage and overall compensation. And also U-boot concept in the slab construction is used here. Now let's see some more of its uses. It also used in a Bergamo, Italy ITC lab and research center. Almost every floor, every slab is constructed using this technology. Also used in Ireland shopping center, and it first used in France nanotechnologies research and development center. Now, as we can see during the whole presentation, it is eco-friendly, economic, sustainable. But the usage of U-Button technology is very rare due to lack of awareness in our country. As we all responsibilities of saving nature and renewable resources for our future generation, this technology should be utilized more. These are the some of the paper, some of the references that I used to go through during my research work. Make miracle out of recycled things. Thank you and have a nice day.